What if I told you most English conversations use the same sentences over and over again?
The same simple sentences every single day. At home, at work, at the store, with friends.
And if you know those sentences, you can communicate right now, today.
You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary.
You just need the right sentences, the ones real people actually use.
And today, we're going to practice them together. Simple, clear, real.
Stay with us. By the end of this video, you're going to feel so much more ready to speak English.
Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. And today we have something really special for you.
This is A1 English, the very beginning level. Simple sentences, short and clear.
Perfect for anyone just starting, or anyone who wants to feel more confident with basic English.
We're going to go through daily use sentences, the ones you need most in real situations.
Greetings, feelings, needs, questions, answers.
All simple, all useful, all real.
Let's go. Okay, Mia, let's start with the most basic thing, saying hello.
Because every conversation starts with a greeting. Every single one.
So listen to these sentences carefully. These are greetings.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
All three mean the same thing. Hello is more formal. Hi is everyday. Hey is casual, for friends.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
You say good morning before noon. Good afternoon from noon to evening. Good evening after the sun goes down.
Now, listen to a short dialogue.
I'm Jake. You're Emma.
Ready.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Jake. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, let's look at that. How are you? This is a very common question. You ask it when you meet someone.
And the answers? I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay. These all mean I feel well, no problems.
Quick quiz. What do you say before noon?
A, good evening. B, good morning.
The answer is B. Good morning. Before noon, good morning.
Let's practice more greeting sentences. Listen and repeat in your mind.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Mia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
It's good to see you.
You too.
Let's talk about nice to meet you. You say this the first time you meet someone. It's warm, it's friendly.
And they answer, nice to meet you too. Always add to at the end.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Simple and perfect.
And what's your name? This is how you ask someone's name.
And you answer, my name is, and then say your name.
My name is Mia. My name is Alex. My name is...
Say your name here. Practice it right now.
Okay, part 2. Feelings. How do you feel right now?
Feelings are so important in English. People ask about them all the time.
Listen to these sentences.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am cold.
I am hot.
I am nervous.
I am excited.
All these sentences follow the same structure. I am, and then the feeling.
Very simple, very useful.
Quick quiz. What do you say when you want food?
A, I am cold. B, I am hungry. B, I am hungry. You say this when you want to eat.
Now, let's hear a short dialogue using feelings. I'm Tom. You're Lisa.
Ready.
Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep well.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you hungry? I have some food.
Yes, I am very hungry. Thank you.
Let's eat together.
Great. I'm happy now.
See how natural that is? I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm happy. 3 feeling sentences in one small conversation.
Real simple. Perfect for beginners.
Part 3. Needs. What do you want? What do you need?
These sentences help you ask for things, very important in daily life.
Listen carefully.
I need water.
I want coffee.
Can I have the menu, please?
Where is the bathroom?
I need help.
Can you repeat that, please?
I don't understand.
Please speak slowly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's talk about some of these. Can I have? This is how you politely ask for something.
Can I have some water? Can I have the bill? Can I have a coffee?
Always start with, can I have? It's polite. It's clear. Everyone understands it.
And can you repeat that, please? You say this when you don't hear or understand something.
It's okay to ask people to repeat. It's not rude. It's smart.
Please speak slowly. Another great sentence. If someone speaks too fast, say this.
People will always slow down for you. They want to help.
Quick quiz. Someone speaks too fast. What do you say?
A, I am happy. B, please speak slowly.
B, please speak slowly. Perfect. Okay, listening practice time. A longer dialogue. Listen carefully.
2 people at a restaurant, a customer and a waiter.
Ready, Mia?
Ready.
Good evening. Welcome. My name is Tom. I am your waiter tonight.
Good evening. Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I have the menu, please?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you repeat the special today?
Of course. Today's special is grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Great choice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, questions. What did the customer ask for first?
Water. She said, can I have some water?
What did she say when she needed the menu?
Can I have the menu, please?
And what did she say when she needed something repeated?
Can you repeat that, please?
3 sentences, all in one real conversation. Natural, easy, useful.
Alex, let's practice something very simple but very important. Yes and no answers.
Because so many conversations are just question and answer.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand. Can you explain?
Is this your bag?
Yes, that's my bag. Thank you.
Is the store open?
No, the store is closed.
Notice something. Yes answers, say yes, then repeat the information.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee.
No answers, say no and add not.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired. This pattern works for almost every yes and no question.
Very simple, very consistent.
Very useful. Okay, now let's practice asking questions, because questions start conversations.
Listen to these. They all start with question words.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
When does the bus come?
How much is this?
Who is that?
Why are you sad?
How do you say this in English?
What time is it?
Where is the hotel?
Can you help me?
Each question word has a job. What asks about a thing. Where asks about a place. When asks about time. How much asks about price.
And one sentence every English learner needs immediately. How do you say this in English?
When you don't know a word, point and say, how do you say this in English?
People will tell you, and you learn one new word immediately.
That sentence is like a key. It opens every door.
Quick quiz. You want to know the price of something. What do you ask?
A, where are you from? B, how much is this?
B, how much is this? Perfect.
Alex, let's practice sentences for work and school because so many people need English for these places.
Yes, let's do it.
At school, listen to these.
I have a question.
Can you explain that again?
I don't understand this word.
Can I go to the bathroom?
What page are we on?
Is this on the test?
I finished my homework.
I need more time.
At work. Listen,
Good morning, everyone.
I have a meeting at 2.
Can you help me with this?
I will finish this today.
Is this correct?
I have a question about this.
Where is the manager?
I am done.
Notice many sentences are the same at work and school. I have a question. Can you help me? I don't understand.
These sentences work everywhere. Learn them once, use them everywhere.
That's the power of basic English. It travels with you.
Mia, let's do a big set of daily life sentences now. Just listen. Let them feel familiar.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast every morning.
I go to work by bus.
I am at home now.
I like this place.
I don't like this food.
I want to go home.
I need to sleep.
I am learning English.
I practice every day.
I have a family.
I love my family.
I have a problem.
Can you help me, please?
I am sorry.
No problem.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Have a good day.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Take care.
How many of those did you understand?
If you understood most of them, that is real progress. Be proud of that.
And if you didn't understand some, that's okay. Listen again, slowly. It will come.
One more listening practice. A morning conversation. Listen carefully.
2 friends, Sam and Anna, in the morning.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm tired. I woke up early today. And you?
I'm good. I'm happy today. It's Friday.
Yes, Friday is a good day. Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry. I didn't eat breakfast.
Me too. Let's get coffee and something to eat.
Good idea. I need coffee.
There is a cafe near here. It's good.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, questions. How does Anna feel?
Tired. She said, I'm tired. I woke up early.
Why is Sam happy?
Because it's Friday.
What do they decide to do?
Get coffee and food at a cafe near there.
Did you catch all of that? If yes, amazing. If not, listen again. You'll get more each time.
Okay, let's review everything from today, quickly and clearly.
Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Feelings. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am excited.
Needs. I need water. Can I have the menu? Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly.
Yes and no. Yes, I like coffee. No, I'm not tired. No, I don't understand.
Questions. What? Where? When? How much? Who? Why?
Daily life. I wake up. I go to work. I am learning English. I practice every day.
Goodbyes. See you later. Have a good day. Goodbye. Take care.
That is a full English toolkit for daily life, and you have it now.
Everyone, we are so proud of you for listening today.
Seriously, you just practiced real English. Simple, clear, useful English.
Now, here's your challenge. Choose 5 sentences from today. Just 5.
And use them today, at home, in your head, out loud.
Say, good morning. I am happy today. Can you help me? Thank you. See you later.
5 sentences. Real English starting today.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
and subscribe. We have so many more A1 English lessons coming. More sentences, more situations, more practice.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us, which sentence was your favorite today? Write it in English, even one word. We love reading your comments.
Next time, we're going to practice 500 more daily use sentences. Shopping, travel, home, friends, all simple A1 English.
You won't want to miss that one.
See you next time, everyone.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.